And the Grammy goes to Pimp a Butterfly, Kendrick Lamar.
Kendrick Lamar!
Kendrick Lamar, widely regarded as one of the most influential hip-hop artists of his generation, has carved a unique niche within the music industry. With his introspective lyrics, innovative storytelling, and profound social commentary, he has challenged the boundaries of hip-hop while addressing critical issues such as race, identity, and systemic oppression. This article delves into the various facets of Kendrick Lamar's life and career. Kendrick Lamar Duckworth was born on June 17, 1987, in Compton, California, a city known for its tumultuous history of gang violence and poverty. He was raised in a close-knit family that played a significant role in shaping his worldview. Kendrick's parents, Kenny Duckworth and Paula Oliver, moved to Compton from Chicago, seeking a better life. His father, a former member of the Gangster Disciples, brought a wealth of experiences that would later influence Kendrick's music. 1.2 Influences. Kendrick's upbringing in Compton exposed him to the harsh realities of life, including violence, poverty, and systemic racism. Despite the challenges, his parents instilled in him the importance of education and self-discipline. Kendrick was particularly influenced by his father, who introduced him to various genres of music, including jazz, funk, and hip-hop. Artists like 2PAC and Notorious B.I.G. also played a pivotal role in shaping his musical aspirations. From an early age, Kendrick displayed a passion for music. He began writing raps as a child using the pen name K. Dot. At the age of 8, he recorded his first song on a karaoke machine, showcasing his budding talent. This early exposure to music provided him with a creative outlet and a means to express his thoughts and emotions. Kendrick excelled academically, particularly in English and creative writing. He attended the Centennial High School, where he participated in various artistic endeavors, including poetry and theater. His educational background played a crucial role in developing his lyrical skills, allowing him to articulate complex themes and narratives in his music. Living in Compton presented numerous challenges for Kendrick. He witnessed the impact of gang violence on his community, which fueled his desire to escape the cycle of poverty and crime. The loss of friends and family members to violence left a profound mark on him, motivating him to address these issues in his music. In 1996, Kendrick's life changed dramatically when his close friend, Anthony Top Dog Tiffith, was killed in a gang-related shooting. This tragedy deepened Kendrick's understanding of mortality and the struggles faced by young black men in America. The pain of loss became a recurring theme in his work, influencing his perspective on life and artistry. Kendrick's musical journey began in earnest in his teenage years when he released his first mixtape, Youngest Head Nigga in Charge. The project garnered local attention, leading to collaborations with other emerging artists in the Los Angeles area. Kendrick's unique style, characterized by introspective lyrics and vivid storytelling, quickly set him apart from his peers. In 2009, Kendrick joined forces with fellow rappers Schoolboy Q, J-Rock, and Ab-Soul to form the hip-hop collective Black Hippie. This collaboration allowed Kendrick to expand his creative horizons and reach a broader audience. In 2012, Kendrick signed with Top Dog Entertainment, TDE, a decision that would prove pivotal in his career. Under TDE, he released his first studio album, Good Kid, M.A. Aid City. which received widespread acclaim and commercial success. The album tells the story of his adolescence in Compton, combining autobiographical elements with broader social commentary. Released in October 2012, Good Kid, M.A.A.D. City catapulted Kendrick to stardom. The album was lauded for its cinematic narrative, exploring the complexities of growing up in a violent environment. Tracks like Bitch, Don't Kill My Vibe and Swimming Pools, Drank showcased his ability to blend catchy hooks with thought-provoking lyrics. The album debuted at number 2 on the Billboard 200 and was later certified platinum by the RIAA. Kendrick's unique artistry earned him numerous accolades, including 7 Grammy Awards and the prestigious Pulitzer Prize for Music in 2018 for his album Damn. This recognition cemented his status as one of the most important voices in contemporary music, highlighting his ability to transcend the boundaries of hip-hop. To Pimp a Butterfly is widely regarded as Kendrick's magnum opus. The album addresses themes of race, identity, and self-worth, drawing from Kendrick's experiences as a black man in America. Tracks like All Right and The Blacker the Berry became anthems of the Black Lives Matter movement, resonating with listeners seeking empowerment and social justice. Kendrick's 4th studio album, DAMN, was released in April 2017 and further solidified his status as a cultural icon. The album explores the complexity of human nature, juxtaposing themes of love and hate, good and evil. Its introspective nature and innovative production earned Kendrick his first Pulitzer Prize, marking a significant milestone in his career. In May 2022, Kendrick released Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers, an album that reflects on personal growth and healing. The project delves into themes of trauma, therapy, and the complexities of family dynamics. Kendrick's willingness to confront his vulnerabilities resonates with listeners, showcasing his evolution as an artist. While Kendrick's work is often met with critical acclaim, not all his albums have received universal praise. For example, Untitled Unmastered, released in 2016, showcased a collection of unfinished tracks and received mixed reviews. Critics noted its lack of cohesion compared to his previous works, prompting discussions about the expectations placed on Kendrick as an artist. Kendrick's political commentary in his music has sometimes sparked controversy. His song, The Blacker the Berry, faced criticism for its raw depiction of racial identity and the complexities of black life. Some critics argued that his lyrics perpetuated divisive narratives, while others praised him for confronting uncomfortable truths. As Kendrick's fame grew, his persona as a socially conscious artist often puts him in the spotlight, leading to intense debates about his responsibilities as a role model. Kendrick has addressed these pressures in interviews, emphasizing his commitment to authenticity and his desire to represent the voices of marginalized communities. Kendrick Lamar's journey from a young boy in Compton to an internationally acclaimed artist is a testament to his resilience, creativity, and unwavering commitment to authenticity. His ability to address complex social issues through his music has not only redefined hip-hop, but has also solidified his place as a cultural icon.